Welcome to Enigmatic Ends, where we unravel the mysterious and untold stories behind the deaths of history's greatest figures. Today, we venture into the final chapter of one of India's most revered and enigmatic spiritual masters, Ramana Maharshi. How did this extraordinary sage, known for his deep wisdom and serene presence, meet his end? Was there a profound spiritual secret woven into his departure from this world? Let's journey together and uncover the mystery. Ramana Maharshi was born in the year 1879 in the small village of Tiruchiji, Tamil Nadu. From an early age, he exhibited a deep sense of detachment from the world. However, it was at the age of 16 when a sudden and inexplicable experience changed his life forever. In an intense moment of self-realization, Ramana Maharshi felt himself facing death, but rather than fear it, he embraced it. In that moment of surrender, he discovered the eternal truth of the self, an experience that would shape the rest of his life. From that day on, Ramana Maharshi was no longer the same. He left home, traveled to the sacred Arunachala hill, and spent years in silence, immersed in deep meditation. Over time, seekers and devotees from across the world flocked to him, drawn by his profound spiritual presence and his message of inner stillness and self-inquiry. However, as we delve deeper into the final years of Ramana Maharshi's life, we discover a story that is as mysterious as it is enlightening. In 1948, Ramana Maharshi was diagnosed with cancer, a tumor on his left arm that would soon claim his physical body. Despite the pain and the concern of his devotees, he maintained an extraordinary calmness. He allowed doctors to treat him initially, but when the cancer returned more aggressively, he refused any further surgery. For him, the body was simply a vessel, impermanent and bound to perish. He said, "Why are you so attached to this body? Let it go its way." As the illness progressed, Ramana Maharshi's health deteriorated. Yet his spiritual light never dimmed. People often reported an indescribable sense of peace around him, even in his final days. Was it possible that he had truly transcended suffering, as his teachings on the self had always emphasized? He would sit for hours, seemingly unaffected by the excruciating pain. Was this a sign of his spiritual mastery, or was there something more at work, a mystery we may never fully comprehend? The final moments of Ramana Maharshi's life were marked by an extraordinary phenomenon. It was the evening of April 14, 1950. As devotees sat around him, filled with sorrow at the impending loss, a strange and bright light appeared in the sky, a comet-like star that streaked across the heavens and disappeared over the Arunachala hill. At the very same moment, the Maharshi's breath stopped, and he passed into what many believe was his final state of liberation, merging with the infinite. This celestial event, witnessed by many, left his followers in awe. Was this a sign of his soul's union with the cosmos, or a divine message signaling his ultimate transcendence? His last words, uttered with serene grace, were, "They say I am dying, but I am not going away. Where could I go? I am here." These words, simple yet profound, left an indelible mark on the hearts of his followers. They reflect the core of Ramana Maharshi's teachings, the realization that the true self is beyond life and death, beyond time and space. But did he really go anywhere? Or is his presence still felt in the silence of Arunachala, in the hearts of those who seek the truth? Ramana Maharshi left this world as quietly and humbly as he lived, yet his death remains one of the most mystically charged events in modern spiritual history. His teachings continue to guide seekers on the path to self-realization, but the mystery surrounding his final breath lingers in the air, inviting contemplation and wonder. Was his passing another teaching, another profound lesson in the nature of existence? Or was there something far more elusive that even we, standing on the threshold of the unknown, cannot fully grasp? If this tale of spiritual enigma intrigued you, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Enigmatic Ends for more fascinating explorations into the mysterious deaths of the world's greatest personalities. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new adventure into the unknown. Together, let's continue our journey into history's most captivating mysteries.